Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to cross out text in Google Sheets step by step. So let's begin. First open your Google spreadsheet, then step 1 use manually, hold Ctrl select manually selection, multiple or single, then edit strike through or shortcut key hold shift 5 on your keyboard and now seeds and apply to use conditional formatting. First select all data format tab, conditional formatting, add another rule, text contents, choose example status done, pending example use done, and choose color or not use color, example use color, then strike through. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.